The hardest part of the conservatorship and guardianship thing, and this is also true when we talk about somebody who's a power of attorney or an executor of the estate, that person's a fiduciary. And a fiduciary means that you have a relationship of trust and confidence over another person. And you have to put their welfare ahead of your own. And it's a very hard spot to be in. And what we see a lot is people who are in those fiduciary roles get conflicted very easy. And I'll give you the easiest one. A power of attorney or a guardian or a conservator that has a power over their ward, and they're a fiduciary, and the person needs in-home care. And rather than put them in an in-home care facility, they think, well, I could just have mom here with me. Mm-hmm. Now, mom would be more comfortable if we renovated the basement. Right?
Right.
So let's use mom's money to renovate our basement.
Right.
Okay? And maybe that was an okay decision, and then the rationalizing starts. And here pretty soon I see, well, mom has groceries, and so when I go to the grocery store, I'm using mom's money at the grocery store, or mom's money to put gas in the car.
Right.
And it walks forward, and pretty soon, and I've seen, well, you know, the caregiver that comes every day gets paid $15 an hour, and she's here from 9 in the morning till 6 at night. But from 6 at night to 9 in the morning, I'm here. So why shouldn't I get $15 an hour?
Exactly.
And I've seen that rationalization walk forward, and pretty soon the guardian or conservator has themselves in a good bit of trouble because they violated that fiduciary role, whether it's as a conservator, an executor, power of attorney, any of those roles that they've had.
But who would kind of bring that up? I mean,
So,
how do those cases come up?
That's what we talk about. Usually it's another child.
Exactly.
Usually it's a sibling.
Yes.
It can be adult protective services. It can be the probate court itself. Guardians and conservators, you've seen this in Brittney's case. Guardians and conservators have to file reports back with the court because the court is the ultimate overseer. Mm-hmm. In Cobb, it's Judge Kelly Walk. And Kelly is the overseer of these estates. And so they review very carefully the reports. And if they see something that looks out of line, if they see payments that are back to the fiduciary, they can call you in. They can issue a citation and say, we need you to explain this to us. What's going on here? If something's out of balance, they can bring you into court and say, we need you to explain yourself. Why is the account out of balance? Mm-hmm. The conservator and the guardian each have to submit a budget to the court and say, here's what I think I'm going to spend this year, and if you're going to go outside that budget, they need to know about it. So they're kind of the watchdog for it. But usually the whistleblower is another family member
Yes.
who starts to see things happening and starts to complain.